least if nobody gives me their opinion, or no, if I don't know what I was saying, but please somebody tell me. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna eat this bologna sandwich. I just want a second opinion. I'm gonna eat one first. Just eat one, just in case it's bad, so it won't be too bad, you know. My food and protection against my stalkers, because they be stalking my ass crazy as hell. I can't sit here and make my life revolve around. I can't sit here and make my life revolve around these stalkers, you know what I'm saying? Like I've said it once. Please do not try to post the location or place I get my food from. You know, everybody's got to eat. Everybody's got to get food. I don't know why in your mind that's something that you do. I don't know what makes you think that's a good thing for anybody. How many compassion applications have you submitted, Chris? Answer me that, but do it tomorrow, because I just muted you for 24 hours. So give me that answer tomorrow. Take some time to think about it. How many compassion applications have you filled out, my friend? God bless you. God bless you. Can I get an amen? Hey, can I get an amen? Can I get an amen? Come on now. I need somebody to say amen. Can I get an amen? Is it a hangover, maybe? Yeah, I think that had something to do with it. I think I drank too much last night. Thank you so much. King Tonka just sent me $3 on Cash App. God bless you. I appreciate that so much. Thank you. I really appreciate you helping me with that $3. Some days I get on here and people won't even spare anything for hours. Nobody will send me anything. So I'm grateful that at the beginning of my live today, you were kind enough to send me that $3. Thank you. said Muggsy Siegel. Well, thank you, Muggsy Siegel. I did think it was you, but you never know. You said, what's up? How's it going? Hello, peace, love, and happiness. How is it going? I'm surviving. I'm surviving thanks to the support that people give. I am surviving.
Fuck you.